Open House Veranstaltung hier in Norwegen, dem größten Anbieter für Sanierungsequipment und TV-Inspektionsanlagen. Viele interessierte Leute, ich bin sehr zufrieden.
I'm a service technician.
I've been in this business in many years, since '94. I think we have about 300 systems running, maybe more than 300, but I'm sure it's 300 running now in Norway. We're very happy, customer very happy.
We have 3 of these cameras.
But yours is very popular in Norway.
GJS in Norwegen. Wir befinden uns hier auf der Open House Veranstaltung unseres Partners NoDig Norway, hier in Norwegen, dem größten Anbieter für Sanierungsequipment und TV-Inspektionsanlagen, und wir möchten euch heute auf diese Veranstaltung gerne mitnehmen.
Wie läuft's?
Sehr gut, sehr gut. Viele interessierte Leute, ich bin sehr zufrieden. Und ich bin ja froh, wenn Sie mir Fragen stellen, dann weiß ich, dass ich richtig hier bin. Weil wenn ich nur dumm rumstehe und habe ich auch nichts davon. Von daher, nein, alles gut. Ich bin jetzt hungrig. Hey Samit, good to see you.
Hello.
I see you working on one of our systems.
Yes.
Would you mind just introducing yourself to our audience, please?
Yep, my name is Samit. I'm a service technician and I'm repairing and maintenance GJS systems. I had a good experience and making my job. We are from the factory.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're from
Where in Germany?
near Nuremberg, close to Nuremberg, yeah. As well as the new displays. They are really, I really like them. They are very good. Yes.
We have 3 of these cameras.
Okay.
Yeah. So we learn a lot.
You're always welcome. As long as you're happy, I'm happy, you know?
Also report software inside, so we can make a report from.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a capturing software in here,
Yeah.
and there is an office software as an option where you can then work on the reports. This is the 30mm axial head. They use it to look behind the packer to see what's going on with the liner and everything. Ball head in Germany, we call it Kugelkopf because it's like round, like a Kugel, like a ball. When you start it in the company, it's connected to your Wi-Fi. Whilst it's booting, it automatically looks for updates. For everything you want help, press F10. You have a look at it?
Yes.
Was sure?
Yeah.
So this is part of the sensorical data, like the diameter measurement. Majid,
Yes.
could you do me a favor, introduce yourself to our customers in Germany
Yeah.
and just give us a little overview about yourself and your company?
Yes. My name is Majid. We are now in Norway, in company NoDig Norway. And we started for almost 8 years ago, this company. I've been in this business in many years, since 94. We have using your system since early 2000. Very happy with your product and everything.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much. How was the day for you?
It was fantastic. Many people here. We have lots of partners here from your company, IPEC, Switronic, the other, and many people. And very good.
You're doing inspection systems like ours, but you're as well very strong in the liner business and fixing pipes and everything.
Yes, we are a supplier for our relining. We deliver the material, epoxy liners and everything, cutter for the whole piece. Yeah.
Yeah. I was really surprised. First of all, again, thank you very much from my side, because we had the chance to talk to our customers, which are your customers mainly. So we're not that often getting face to face to the end user.
No.
But as well, a lot of interested people came here today to see our systems, to play with our systems, and to understand what they can do with all of these systems. Do you have an idea how many of our systems are here in your country?
I think we have about 300 systems running, maybe more than 300, but I'm sure it's 300 running now in Norway. They're very happy, customer very happy. It's very easy to use and very complete system. Yeah.
Impressive number for
We have done in many years.
that market.
We are selling actually the other push rod, but yours is very popular in Norway.
Again, thank you very much. I mean, really appreciate our partnership. And I think it's a real partnership where we both help each other.
Yeah, we are very happy.
Thank you very much for that, Majid.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Looking forward for tonight,
Thank you.
seeing everybody again. And thank you very much.